4 tips for buying homes on land. Are you looking to get out of the city and buy a home on land? Stay tuned. I've got the tips you need to know. Hi, my name is Angie Haig with Cornerstone Home Lending, and I'm so excited to talk about the biggest tips for buyers looking to get out of the city. Number 1, hire a real estate agent who has experience with rural areas. Did you know that hiring a real estate agent who has experience with rural areas is so important? Homes on land have different rules and regulations, and an experienced agent can guide you through the process stress-free. Number 2, talk to a lender. When buying a home, understanding what type of mortgage is best for you is vital. One of the biggest perks to buying a home in a rural area is the additional financing options that may exist, like our USDA loan. Or are you needing to talk to your local bank about a farm loan? Number 3, decide on the size and location. Whether you're wanting miles between you and your neighbor or just a few acres, it's important to consider just how rural you're wanting your home to be. Tons of land mean much more upkeep, and small properties might mean you're closer to your neighbors. Consider the school districts, grocery stores, and more to help you decide how far and how much land you really need. Number 4, review the utilities. The further you get from the suburban areas, the more changes there will be to basic everyday needs like sewer systems, well water, natural gas, and even Wi-Fi. It's important to review the available utilities in each area to make sure it has everything your family needs. Buying your first rural home can come with a lot of questions, but the right team by your side, the process can be smooth and stress-free. I hope today's video gave you the tips you need to start the process. If you're interested in hearing more about your home loan options, call my office at 405-241-5327 or apply online at angiehaig.com. See you then.